Hello, here's another A-level physics multi-choice question on the topic of progressive and stationary waves. If you want to choose a different question from the topic, click on the information card here. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. And if you got the answer D, well done. So let's have a look. A wave travels along a water surface. The variation with time of the displacement of the water particle at the surface is shown. What properties of the wave are represented by W and Z? Well, W represents the amplitude, which is the maximum displacement, and Z, this is perhaps the tricky one, Z represents the time period. So the time period is the time for a particle to go through 360 degrees of its cycle, or we could say the time it takes to go from one point back to the same point and be moving in the same direction. So the time period, the amplitude and the time period, the answer is D. Now just a quick word, if you put down wavelength, be careful. If this had been distance or length, then yes, that would have been the wavelength, but it wasn't distance, it was time. Whenever you see wave questions, be careful. They are always displacement against time or displacement against distance. Make sure you find the right one. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click on that subscribe button please. Watch more in the series, share with people who might find this useful, and watch more of them. Thank you very much.